1, 2, 3, go!
Welcome to Watch Jack's Side. So today we're going to be putting soap in the microwave. Let's go!
That's right, Jaxie, we're going to put some soap in the microwave, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, Mummy, so throw in the soup. Soup?
Soap.
We've got a lot of soap here. We've got the Dove. Oh, Fred. We've got some imperial leather. Remember that from the 80s, people. Okay.
No.
We've got Dove pink. Pink's your favorite color, isn't it?
No.
And we got Xanax. So we're gonna go with the Dove. What is this? This is the Dove Beauty Cream Bar. Let's see how it goes. Somebody was thirsty. Do you want to do the honors and put it in the microwave? Hey, are we eating Mummy at the back? Are we recording? Say that's a minute or two gone. Will we open it?
Yeah.
Okay. Bing!
Steel.
Oh.
Whoa, it's like
See?
melted marshmallow.
Okay, pretty cool. So Phoenix is mad to put this other soap in. Okay, Jackson, you're making a bit of a mess there, buddy.
I'm not mad, but this soap in.
You're not mad. Would you like to put the green one in? Would you like to put the green one in, Phoenix?
Do we have any water?
Oh,
I think I
trash.
put my finger.
Turn it on. There you are.
That's two or not?
You burned yourself. Let's have a look.
Oh, it stinks.
Wow.
Cool.
Let me see if I can get this side.
Right, Cassie, go inside.
Oh, it's pretty.
Would you like to have that for breakfast? It's like, oh my gosh, green eggs and ham. Like
Green
scrambled.
eggs and ham. That's what it did look like.
Looks like scrambled green eggs.
That's what it was.
That was cool.
Oh no, that's what it is now. Okay, Phoenix, smash it up.
Ugh.
There's nothing more than we like here in Watch Jack's out to have a bit of competition. What do you think, guys? You have to pick your own brand. Whatever soap you want, you can do the ones that we've done. But whichever soap lasts the longest that doesn't bubble up is the winner.
I'm feeling another Coke one.
So I'm gonna go for this here one.
That's the one Jackson's going for.
Oh, you're going for that one. I'm like, oh, well here, I'll tell you what I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go for the classic imperial leather. Reminds me of the 80s and 90s. Taking them cold showers.
Imperial leather. One little family luxury. You won't want to change.
Look at this.
Soap, dude. Okay, and Phoenix is gonna go. You're gonna go with this one, Phoenix? It's the beauty cream bar with blue fig and orange blossom scent. Fancy, Phoenix, eh? Phoenix is going for the fancy one. Okay. Okay, Mummy just came into the competition. She wants the dove pink. Okay. She's feeling left out. Very nice.
Smell it.
Does it smell it, Mummy?
It smells disgusting.
No. I think Mummy smells better than that. We got Phoenix in blue. We have got Mummy in pink.
Yeah.
We got Jaxie in cream.
Yeah!
But Daddy's lost. Oh, there he is.
No,
Daddy in the cool leather.
No, wait, it's different.
Grandpa's
With the sticker. That is old school. Alright, are we ready? So, let's be clear on this. The rules are, it's the last one to explode.
Wins.
That's right. Have fun. Turn it on! Uh-oh, mine's starting to bubble at the bottom.
Is it?
It's starting next to get.
Oh, Daddy's is going!
Oh no,
Grandpa is out!
Oh man, I've got a bulge at the bottom.
Daddy, are you out?
Yes.
I think so.
Look,
Look.
Yeah.
He's starting to get a big thing on the side of his. Oh, and the other side's going.
Oh no, it's not looking good for me. It's like blowing bubbles now. Why is the dove not done anything? Oh, Jackson's starting to go.
What?
He's starting to get warts. See it?
But it has
It's not exploded yet, though.
No, but it's still he's out.
no, not.
Yeah, but ours might just shoot out of one side all of a sudden.
It has to like blow up.
It could come out of the middle.
Oh, Daddy's definitely out.
I'm afraid you're not.
Jackson's hasn't actually broke yet.
Yeah.
It's just gotten larger.
It's only a matter of time, my friend.
Daddy's is officially like.
Dead.
Phoenix and Mummy are looking pretty strong. I gotta tell you, it's a nice aroma.
Like Mummy or Cat is going to do everywhere.
Oh, Mummy just got a crack on it.
No!
It is.
No!
Mommy is out!
Oh man, oh no, it's not bubble. They have to just get a crack. It looks like
Yours is like turned into a potato, Jackson.
it looks like Mummy's got a big long beak on it.
Whoa! This is
Oh man, we're happy.
Oh my.
What has happened to your sexy? Oh, Mummy's got a big crack on it. And Phoenix is not even a dent.
Oh my god! There's like, look at mine! I'm exploding from the inside out! Oh gross! I'm like growing like this massive wart out of the center.
Oh no, it's starting to go like the others.
Mommy's
Wait
out.
till you see.
Phoenix, you're the winner.
Look at mommy! What is that hanging out of me?
Oh man.
That's disgusting.
Don't touch one with the
I'll get you
scissors.
something.
Phoenix is the winner. Sandy is the loser. You came second last, Jaxie. Yours looks pretty disgusting. Phoenix, you had a bit of a 40, okay? Mummy says. Tell everybody you're okay. I'm not okay.
He died.
So, this is mine. Not looking good. Jaxie, yours has turned into potato with warts. And Mummy's came a close second, but Phoenix, you're the winner! Oh, man, yeah! Okay, let's go.
Don't squish mine though.
Okay, we can't squish Phoenix's. Wow, that's quite hard.
That's so weird. It's like a sponge.
That's it.
Oh, that's so strange. Here, let Jackson
Pretty hot,
squish
though.
it. Is it really hot?
Yeah, it's still quite hot.
Jackson, are you not going to say your famous word?
So satisfying.
It's so satisfying.
Jackson loves this. So satisfying. Okay, so Phoenix is the winner. Well done, Beanie Boo. Mommy, give him the prize.
Ah, sorry.
Yes, Phoenix. Oh, good catch. Oh, what is it? What is it?
Hot Wheel.
Wow, it's a Hot Wheels car. Let's see. Let's show everyone. Let's show everyone. It's a Hot Wheels car. Really cool, man.
I need it.
Maybe we should put that in the microwave, eh?
No, that's my toy.
Okay, we better not put that in the microwave. And just because we're pretty fair in this thing, Jaxie's get the prize as well.
Yay.
For losing. This is a good lesson in life, kids. Fortnite! Omega Skin! Series 1!
Hi, welcome to What's Jack's At. I love Fortnite, but I like Mario Brothers too.
So So guys, that's soap in the microwave. Really cool, but also really dangerous. So please don't try this at home.
Yeah.
Jaxie eats it, or Venus is the winner. You big weirdo. Jaxie, tell them what to do.
Like, subscribe, comment down below what else you want to put in the microwave. Remember to hit that wee notification bell so you get notified whenever we post a new video. Bye!
Bye!